Little Fox.
Bat and Friends, Episode 11, Cow Tells How.
Tell us, Cow,
Said Cat.
tell us how to make a wish.
Cow said,
Walk around the well 3 times. Say, please, please, pretty please.
Cow went around the well. She said,
Please, please, pretty please.
Then Cat went around the well. She said,
Please, please, pretty please.
2. Then Bat went around the well. He said,
Please, please, pretty please.
2. Cow said,
Now sing to the well. You must sing your wish.
Cat sang.
I'm tired of this farm. I think it is a bore. I want to see new places I've never seen before.
I can't sing.
Said Bat.
I will not get my wish.
Cow said,
Just try, Bat.
but Bat was too sad.
It will not work.
He said,
I must fly away now.
재미가 쏠쏠, 영어가 술술. 리틀팍스.